In the last video, we transformed the G-Shock GWG-2000 with a Hemsut rugged nylon strap. Today, let's take a closer look at the complete installation process. A simple strap change can completely transform the feeling of your favorite watch. Upgrade your watch gear with Hemsut.